some of our fantastic products, including Carlisle and Finch CFX searchlights, the standard for the United States Coast Guard and the United States Navy for more than 100 years on every lighthouse in America. We've introduced our new yacht controller Nemesis system, a fully computerized, integrated controller system that immediately determines the type of equipment you have on your boat when you connect it, configures it via a 64-bit quad-core computer, and then enables you to take wireless control of your boat from anywhere on board. Our searchlights are absolutely fantastic, and we are presently proposing them on a number of vessels, including many super yachts up to 400 feet.